Hi, I'm Akbar Zahid, and you're watching Ash News. It seems the world is heading towards a third world war. In a shocking turn of events, 19 countries, including America, Britain, and France, have reportedly united against Yemen as the nation gears up for a war in the strategically vital Red Sea. Sources reveal that Yemen has initiated a series of aggressive moves, including the placement of naval mines in the Red Sea, with the intention of disrupting and potentially destroying enemy ships or submariners attempting to sail from the Red Sea to Israel. Russia, China, Lebanon, Iran, Turkey, Syria along with Yemen will support Hamas in this war. There is a possibility of joining other Islamic countries in support of the demand of a Palestinian state. Yemen has claimed success in capturing numerous ships, disrupting supply routes, and intercepting vessels believed to be transporting arms and aid to Israel. This has significantly heightened tensions in the region as the international community closely monitors the unfolding developments. Adding to the complexity of the situation, reports indicate that Yemen has unleashed a barrage of rocket attacks on Israeli cities, with continuous strikes targeting populous areas such as Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. The attacks have raised concerns about the safety and security of civilians in the affected regions, prompting calls for immediate intervention and escalation. As the conflict intensifies, global leaders are expressing deep concern over the potential for a full-scale war in the Red Sea and its broader implications for regional stability. The United Nations and other international organizations are urgently calling for dialogue and diplomatic solutions to address the root causes of the conflict and prevent further escalation. After the destruction of Gaza and the killings of innocent children and women by Israeli forces, it is easy to assert that Israel is a terrorist country. This is a historic fact that Israel has built its empire on the illegally acquired land of Palestine. The whole Israeli land actually belongs to Palestine, and Israel has no right to occupy the land of Palestine. Hamas, Lebanon, Yemen and Iran actually wants to free Palestine from the clutches of Israel. Let us all pray for everlasting peace in this world.